This is kind of a test. This is a filbert 1/4 inch low Cornell. It's a brush I used to use as an acrylic painter when I taught acrylic classes. And you can see some of the bristles have been removed. And we used to make Santa beards and different things like that with this. But I'm going to try, my first chance to try this. It's just an idea I had when I ran across this brush the other day. Need some more water. Just adding some water to the neutral tint for that other leaf. I know Billy Scholl will actually take one of her brushes and flatten it out, and I thought, well, you know what, this will do the same thing, only I don't have to ruin one of my brushes. So I'm going to move this so you can see me a little bit better. And I just want to get a buildup of color here and there, and I'm just using it as a line, like I'm doing line work. In other words, I'm doing a 90-degree angle to the paper. And this is very dry. There's very little paint on here, just as if I were doing dry brushing. And that's what I want to accomplish here, and keep my hand out of that other petal. And this is working. It's giving me the depth I'm looking for, and I'm not having to ruin a brush to do it. So there we got a couple different values in here, and just by doing that as if it were line work. So we'll continue. I like the way that turned out. We'll continue to use that. Again, it's just a quarter. That's the width of it. 1/4 inch low Cornell rake. They call it it is a filbert, so it is considered a filbert rake.